Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, V/1 Studios. My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. All the products that I use in this video are listed below. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button below to get the latest notifications on my new makeup videos and beauty tips. Now let's get started. First, start with filling my eyebrows using the AnastasiaBeverlyHills Dip Brow Pomade Chocolate. Using a soft, smooth-haired angle brush, I start filling in my brows with small strokes following the natural pattern of my eyebrow hair growth. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Paint Layin Low as an eyeshadow base. Using a concealer brush, apply the eyeshadow base under the brows and on the lids. An eyeshadow base creates a barrier between the skin and the product. It helps concentrate the eyeshadow's true colors and helps absorb excess oil on the lid that prevents the eyeshadow from fading or moving. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer. Using a concealer brush, I apply the product on the top of my lids and under my brows to conceal and neutralize the color of the eyeshadow base. Next, I'll be using the Nudes by Juniva's eyeshadow palette. Apply the light beige matte eyeshadow to both inner tear ducts. Then apply the frosty gold color to the middle and end part of both of your eyelids. Then apply the warm brown to the crease of both of your eyelids. Then apply the warm beige matte color under your eyebrows to mattify the concealer and create a lifting effect. Next, apply the NYX Professional Glitter Primer on top of the eyeshadow on the middle and the end part of both of your eyelids. Then apply the Sparkle Champagne eyeshadow color in a tapping motion on top of the glitter primer to help concentrate the color and give the eyeshadow a more glittery and brighter effect. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner Blackest Black. First, apply a medium line to the middle part of your eyelid. Then apply a thin line to the inner tear duct of your eyelid. Next, turn the angle brush to an angle and using the fine point of the brush, apply the gel liner in a downward wing motion. Turning your brush to an angle, apply the gel liner in a downward fine point in your inner tear duct. Then apply it in your inner waterline and under your bottom lashes, creating the cat eye effect. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW40. Using the concealer brush, I apply this product under my bottom liner to brighten and cover discoloration under my eyes. Next, I will be applying the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using a concealer brush, I apply this product on top of the NW40 to conceal, neutralize, and warm the color. Next, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown Cosmetic Primer Plus Mattifier. I apply this gel to powder primer on my cheeks, forehead, and chin, and you can add a little extra on the areas where you tend to be more oily. This primer absorbs oil and reduces the appearance of pores with a special powder technology. It refreshes and smooths the skin with a cool, breathable finish. Then I apply the shade Natural Almond N80 to the lower part of my chin, the sides of my face, on my nose, and on my forehead in a tapping motion, pressing the foundation down onto the skin to make an even, full coverage blend. Next, I will be using the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder to set the foundation and control the shine. Using the Powder Puff Applicator, I pat the soft honey color in my T-zone to brighten and apply it to the areas that tend to have more shine. I apply it under both of my eyes to brighten the eye area. Then I apply it down the center of my nose to highlight and create the effect of a thinner nose. And I apply it in the middle of my forehead to eliminate the shine. Next, I will be using a warmer color, the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder Golden Brown. In a tapping press down motion, I apply the pressed powder to the middle and the lower part of both sides of my face. Then I apply it in the middle part of my forehead, above my eyebrows, and along the sides of my face. Then I apply it on my upper lip and both sides of my nose. Applying the pressed powder helps the foundation stay in place and creates a smooth finish look. Next, I'll be adding warmth and contour to my skin by using the Morphe 8R That's Rich Complexion Pro Palette. Using a soft eyeshadow crease brush, I apply the color bronzer to the crease of my lids. This technique helps to create a shadow in the crease of the lid that deepens the eye set and makes the eye look more dramatic. Using the same color, I apply the warm brown tone on both sides of my nose, under my lower lashes, under my cheekbones, around my hairline, and on my forehead and lower part of my jawline. Apply the contour color using a detail eyeshadow brush under your lower lashes to smudge and soften the black liner. Then I go back in with the deeper tone contour and I apply it under my cheekbones, along the lower part of my jawline, along my hairline to deepen and define the contour. Then I apply the rose highlighter color to both sides of my upper cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and on my forehead to give my skin a nice, warm, radiant glow. Next, I will be applying the highlight color. I apply it down the center of my nose, on my upper cheekbones, and on the center of my upper lip. I'll be using the Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Brow Mascara from Maybelline. Using a mascara wand, I start to apply in the front part of my brow in short upward strokes along my natural eyebrow shape to the middle and tail end of my brow, creating a groomed and clean finished look. I'll be using the Maybelline Volume Express Falsies Waterproof Mascara. This clump-free mascara formula delivers bigger, thicker, and fuller lashes for a dramatic volume. Mascara helps to define your lashes and make your eyes stand out. By using the mascara brush, apply a couple coats on the top and your bottom lashes to achieve your desired voluminous look. Next, I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture Matte Black Matte Satin Lashes. Using the eyelash glue applicator, apply the glue on the track of the lashes. Wait 10 to 20 seconds for the glue to semi-dry and get a little sticky. Place the lashes as close as you can to your lid, right above the root of your natural lashes. As they dry, gently squeeze the lashes and your natural lashes together. Once the lashes are dry, push the outer corners of the lashes in an upward motion. This creates a glamorous flare that complements the cat eyeliner. And I'll be applying the MAC Lip Liner Plum. Apply it on the upper and lower outer part of your lip. Next, I'll be applying my makeup line Visage One Studio's Luxurious Longwear Matte Lip Stains in the color Bachelorette. Apply it on your lower and upper lip in a back and forth motion. Visage One Studio Longwear Lip Stains are creamy lip colors with a modern matte finish. The nourishing ingredients help keep the lips supple and smooth. It's hyperallergenic, fragrance-free, and comes in over 7 colors. You can purchase Visage One Studio's cosmetics in the link in my Instagram bio or by visiting visageonestudios.com. The final look. I also teach one-on-one and group makeup classes. If you want to learn more about my makeup courses, click on the link that says makeup classes below. My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. All the products that I use in this video are listed below. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button below to get the latest notifications on my new makeup videos and beauty tips. Please make sure you like, share this video, and follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios.